everyone, I'm Shan. This project proposed an app designed to allow more visually impaired people to find job or work through an exclusion job search platform. The aim is to increase the employment rate of visually impaired persons and enable them to create value and achieve equal social status for persons with disabilities in China. Here are some surveys I have done on the employment of visually impaired people in China. According to the frame chart, it shows that employment scope of visually impaired people in China is relatively narrow and there are fewer choices. This is compared to the diversity of jobs that visually impaired people can do in the world. Well, most visually impaired people in China usually works as massage. This page is my description and the SWT analysis of 3 precedents. Next, I conduct a simple interview with visually impaired people on the internet and shouted out their common problems. The most big problem is that they don't know how to find a job and a job insecure and lacks career planning. This page is the persona and the target behavior, which is merely analyze the target behavior of the target needs and physical condition that can be achieved. This is the conceptual framework analysis of the design from 4 perspectives. This is storyboard. The design mainly rely on the voiceover that come with the mobile phones as a basis to render apps process. This is the user interaction flowchart. And this is my initial prototype design, which is mainly divided into the function of finding a job, scanning, and reading tests, and asking for help from volunteers. After that, I tested the prototype and made some change to the prototype based on the user suggestions. First, I removed the unnecessary functions such as scanning test because the phone itself can do it. The prototype design after the iteration is mainly divided into the 3 function levels. The users enters the login interface by clicking, and there is a bottom toolbar at the interface button. This is the first function is the job search function. The users can input her or his information by voice, resume to post the job information, or swipe right to view company recruitment information and communicate. In addition, career planning calls have been added. Users can read and select course through the screen information, and they also can find classes records. Finally, there is the help for volunteers function. Users with visually impairments can double-click to click the homepage to select a short talk or make an appointment for help information to ask for volunteers to help with problems in their work or life. This is my second prototype, which is a smart glasses specially designed for visually impaired people, which can assist visually impaired people to use mobile phone, the lens is located at the position to the forehead to easily capture the picture, and there are also one button photography and bone conduction headphones, because usually impaired usually visually impaired people more rely on their ears to receive information. Next is my test on the smart glasses. Mainly on the bottom, operation suggestions and camera function of the smart glasses. The test show that the lens set in the model of glasses is better than photos taken by user with the mobile phone. This is my conclusion and reference list. That's all. Thank you.